Hello Learn citizens, and welcome to today's tutorial on personal branding. My name is Persoanl. I am thrilled to have you here. Whether you are looking to elevate your career, enhance your online presence, or simply learn more about personal branding, you are in the right place. Let's start by defining what we mean by personal branding. Personal branding is essentially the process of developing and managing your own brand. It's about figuring out who you are, what you stand for, and how you want others to see you. A strong personal brand helps you stand out in a competitive field, build credibility, and create new opportunities. Now, before you can build your personal brand, you need a strong foundation. Here's how you can get started. Self-assessment. First, take some time to assess your strengths and skills. What are you really good at? What are your passions? Next, think about your values. What guides your actions and decisions? And don't forget to set clear career and personal goals. Then we have the unique value proposition, also known as UVP. This is where you define what makes you unique. Ask yourself, what specific problems can I solve for others? Create a concise elevator pitch that catches your UVP. This pitch will be central to how you communicate your brand. With your foundation in place, it is time to build your personal brand, and here is how you can do that. Start by creating an online presence. Create a professional website. This should include your portfolio, your resume, your contact information. Make sure your social media profiles, just like LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, they are up to date and consistent. Share content that showcases your expertise and your interests. Then we have the offline presence. You need to build your brand, just not about online activities. Attend industry events, participate in public speaking opportunities, and seek out mentorship. These offline activities can be incredibly valuable for networking and establishing your reputation. Next is communicating your brand. Effective communication is key to your personal brand. Develop a strong personal branding statement that tells your story, your journey, your mission, and vision. Make sure your messaging is consistent across all platforms. Now, focus on your visual identity. Design a personal logo if you can, and invest in professional photos for your profiles and promotional materials. These elements can help create a memorable and professional image. Next is maintaining and evolving your brand. Building your brand is just the beginning. Here's how to maintain and evolve it. Monitor your brand. That is number one. Regularly check in on how your brand is perceived. Seek feedback from peers and your audience. Address any negative feedback professionally and promptly. That thing is very important. Now you adapt and you grow. You need to stay updated with industry trends and continue developing your skills. As you grow personally and professionally, your brand should evolve too, to reflect your new experiences and your goals. Now you need tools and resources. Let's take a look at some tools and resources that can help you with your personal branding. Use platforms like Canva to create visuals for your brand. LinkedIn is great for networking and building connections. We have Google Analytics and social media insights that can help you track your online presence and your engagements. Now you need learning resources. Check out books like Crushing It by Gary Vaynerchuk and The Brand Called You by Peter Montoya. Consider taking online courses on platforms like LearnCity to deepen your understanding of personal branding. To wrap things up, remember that personal branding is an ongoing journey of self-discovery, communication, and relationship building. By applying these principles, you can enhance your reputation, unlock new opportunities, and achieve your career goals. Your personal brand is your unique promise of value. Make it impactful and memorable. Thank you all for joining today's tutorial. I hope you found the session informative and inspiring. If you need any questions or any further assistance, we are here to help you. Thank you.